Alia is such a fun personality. Even though she's a star kid, she's managed to prove herself. I've loved her in most of her movies, but what I really admire about her is that after making a huge blunder on TV, she has managed to make fun of herself and take a couple of jokes. That was pretty brave, and I can't wait to get transformed into her. I've chosen a look from the Lux Golden Rose Awards. She wore a lovely red gown with matching lips to go with it. Her hair was pushed back sleek and she went for simple bronzed eyes, which in my view is a pretty glamorous and sophisticated look. My god, what's up with my brows? I know it's really different, but yeah, I like it. So that was it for today's video. We really look forward to your comments. Do let us know what you think about this look. We'll be back with another transformation video next week, so let us know what would you want to watch next. For more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.